Welcome students. School MVM Eclaire Subject Science 2 Chapter 1 Heredity and Evolution. Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. This is very slow going process. in मराठी उत्क्रांती म्हणजे सजीवांमध्ये अत्यंत सावकाश होणारा क्रमिक असा बदल होय. All the stages in changes occurred in various components ranging from stars and planets in space into the biosphere present on the earth. Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called evolution. 3.5 billion years ago, life had been not existence on the earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the earth and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from those. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have formed over a long period. First primitive type of cells may have been formed from mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. At present, curves of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the earth. Animal diversity ranges from unicellular amoeba and paramecium to man and giant whale. The plant diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to huge banyan tree. The life exists on earth everywhere from equator to both the poles. Organisms are present at all the places like air, water, land, rock, etc. उत्क्रांतीचा सिद्धांत theory of evolution. According to this theory, first living material protoplasm has been formed in ocean. In due course of time, unicellular organism was formed. Gradually changes occur in the unicellular organisms from which larger and more complex organisms were formed. All those changes were slow and gradual. Duration of all changes is at most 300 crore years. Next topic is evidences of evolution. उत्क्रांतीचे पुरावे. First is morphological evidences. बाह्यरूपीय पुरावे. In figure, various similarities like structure of mouth, position of eyes, structure of nostrils and ear pinna, and thickly distributed hairs on body are seen in animals. Similarities in characters like lip shape, lip venation, lip petiole, etc. occurs in case of plants. This indicates that there are some similarities in those groups and hence it proves that their origin must be same and must have common ancestors. The next evidence is anatomical evidences. Structure of bones in animals. If you carefully observe the picture, there does not seem any superficial similarity between human hand, cat's foreleg, flipper of whale, and patagium of bat. There is similarity in structure of bones and bony joints in organs of each of those animals. Similarity indicates that those animals may have common ancestors.